Hello guys, and welcome back to another BhoyCon Talks, and this one I'll be talking about another comic book. Yeah, so what comic book? It's by the Sons of Ethan. I'm debating on packing it myself, but before I go into it more, make sure you leave a like and subscribe and leave a comment on if you're planning on backing it or whatever. So yes, so what is it about? On a top B recently, a crew of British sailors are removed on a mystery island off the coast of Scotland, an island that holds all of our own secret. Yes, I'll be fed up, but I'm not want to be playing in it, but I will be leaving a link down below if you want to take the time to read it and all that fun stuff. So 1814, the final years of the Napoleon was a crew of British sailors are caught in a violent storm. Their ship is wrecked and the survivors find themselves in a ruined on a desolate lonely island off the northern coast of Scotland. Captain Oliver rallies his men and a crew heads inland. They discover the old vessel Amlet forgotten and left to ruining and overgrown with wild grass. Of course. So, starting the settlement for signs of life, we find it non-tight since abandoned and decided to set up camp as they settle in. The captain dispatches the best hunters to look for food, tracking through a bay to an enormous cave. Three sailors winters inside and deep within the darkness the often secrets across and then finally revealed. It looks really good. Sons of Even is a survivor of a wooded and ancient fort law in a 24-page tale from Scotland Islands. So yes, I think this is just offer titles from this a person who's turning it from its like defeat Telegram, a little bit about it. Issue 2 as well. Okay. And that's so. And you can add it as an add-on as well. So let's put back to it to see. Okay, so packing it. Okay, Sons of I know that. So the Sons of Even so £3 or more you get a PDF version of a set comic. And then for £6 or more you get a physical copy and a PDF, roughly in November. And then for £10 you get a signed version of a copy for £10 or more. And then you get a book and print, so you pretty much get a signed copy, a PDF and a A4 print for £20. For £25 or more you get a book, print and poster, so you pretty much get of course a signed version of the comic book, a PDF, a poster and an A3 poster. Nice. So Brit comic metaverse, so it must be every little thing that you've done so far for £65. So you get Sons of Even and the PDF version, A4 print, a poster as well, a A3 poster, and a signed edition of the Divided Kingdom and Divided Kingdom 2. So yes, that's nice still. So will you be backing it up? I'm tempted to back it, but that's if I have enough money when it comes out in 19 days, at least as of today of this video. So yes, let me know if you're planning on picking up. I'm tempted to, but as you tell, it's not fully backed yet, so if you want to make sure it gets back, make sure you back it guys. It means a lot to these people. So yes, thanks for watching. I would like to thank my Patreons for supporting me, and if you'd like to see your name on the end of each video, support me over on Patreon. Thank you all.